Right then, what is happening, legends? Let me ask you a serious question. Are you lot also completely fed up with the same old, boring glass sandwiches? You know the ones, you look at them funny, and they shatter into 1,000 quids worth of sadness. And be honest, do your thumbs secretly ache for that proper, nostalgic click-clack of a real physical keypad? Well, brace yourselves, mate. Because the bit of kit we're looking at today isn't just a mobile phone, it is a certified, military-grade unit. It's got that classic BlackBerry soul, but it's packed with blazing fast 5G, and durability that hits harder than a brick in a sock. Yes, for all you typing purists out there, say hello to the Unihertz Titan 3 5G. If you thought physical keyboards were dead and buried, this thing is here to slap you in the face with the truth. So, grab a cuppa, and let's deep dive into this absolute monster. Design and keyboard. Let's kick things off with the headline act, the reason we're all here, the QWERTY keyboard. Lads, we are talking about a gorgeous, fully backlit physical deck. That means you can be firing off WhatsApps at warp speed, even when you're stumbling home in the pitch black. But hang on, it gets better. These aren't just buttons, the entire keyboard doubles up as a capacitive trackpad. You want to doom scroll through Twitter or flick through your emails? You just glide your thumb over the keys. It is buttery smooth, proper satisfying. And the build, mate, this isn't a phone, it's a weapon. We're talking rugged metal frame, industrial rubber bumpers, and a heft that tells you you're holding a serious piece of machinery. You could probably use this to hammer in a tent peg. Display. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's got a keyboard, so the screen must be microscopic, surely. Wrong. The Titan 3 is rocking a massive 4.5-inch square touchscreen. It's not tall and skinny like your standard dog bone phones, it's wide, absolutely spot on for multitasking and crushing spreadsheets. We're looking at a crisp 1440 x 1440 resolution, all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. Drop it, boot it, dunk it in your pint, this screen isn't going anywhere. It's tough as old boots. Performance. But it's not just brawn, this thing's got brains as well. Under the bonnet, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 5G processor. Believe it or not, you can actually have a proper gaming session on this. We're talking PUBG and COD mobile on high settings, no drama. Pair that with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, and lag is virtually non-existent. This is strictly for the professionals, the absolute workhorses who want to run their entire office from their pocket without the faff. Camera setup. Usually, rugged phones have cameras that look like they were filmed through a potato, right? Not this time. The Titan 3 5G is rocking a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a massive 108-megapixel primary shooter. But the real party trick? The second lens is a 20-megapixel night vision camera. Yes, you heard that correctly. This phone can see in total, pitch black darkness. Whether you're camping in the peaks or doing a bit of MI6 spy work, this feature is bonkers. Rounding it out is an 8-megapixel macro lens, and for the vanity shots, you've got a sharp 32-megapixel selfie cam. Battery backup. To power a heavy phone, you need a heavy battery. And Unihertz hasn't mucked about here. They've stuffed a massive 7000 mAh battery inside this beast. Charge it once, and you can literally bin the wall plug for about 3 days. And if you do manage to kill it, somehow, the 66-watt fast charging will juice it back up in minutes. Oh, and yes, it supports wireless charging too, just to be fancy. Price and launch date. Right, let's talk brass tacks. The price. With these unique specs and a body that could survive the apocalypse, leaks suggest the price point is going to land somewhere between £400 and £500. This is a premium niche device. It's not for everyone, it's for the absolute legends. As for availability, it's set to launch globally very soon, likely Q1 2026. So, the big question: would you ditch your fragile glass slab for this tank? Sound off in the comments below.